never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
Hello guys. So ayun, ngayon nasa labas kami at nasa loob kami ng rickshaw. Lalabas kami pero hindi para gumala. Lalabas kami kasi may bibilihin kaming essentials, mga gamot. So pupunta kami sa isang Ayurvedic shop na ano mo yun na wholesale. So makakatipid, may mga discount, ganun. So pupunta tayo doon at ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung ano ang mga magaganap doon. See you later! Already 7 o'clock. Dito kasi sa Mumbai, kahit tawag dito, before ng lockdown, like yung normal days, it's always busy. Laging traffic. Ang daming tao dito.
मजबूरी में क्या करेगा करना पड़ा एम्बुलेंस से आया गाड़ी एम्बुलेंस लेके गया जैसी एम्बुलेंस वो मेरे को कराओ
Ayun, dito kami sa isang shop.
कुरियर करना है
Huh?
तो क्या एक बार कुरियर कर दूंगा माल तो दूसरा कुरियर महंगा पड़ता है ना
religious items here is
Ha. Yan, mga religious items yung tinitinda nila. Ayan. Yun.
ये और चार दे हमें
So yan yung may-ari. Yan.
दे दिया
Yan yung mga, yung
yeah
for the altar, yung altar nila, yan yung kino-cover nila, yan. Yan yung mga, ayan. Ayan. Let's see.
design stick.
Ayun, incense, yan. Sobrang maraming incense, different kind of incense. Siya yung may-ari. Yan, incense.
It is not used that wood inside, it is direct incense stick.
Okay. This incense is like we can use the same in the house, right?
Yeah.
9 पीस क्या टिकट भाव है ऊपर नीचे अपन
Send
adjust
only.
कर लेते हैं ना।
Sandal wood is there.
हाँ,
कल तक करो ना, ये तो फिर बाद में
हाँ,
तो
This
दिक्कत
is
है।
also this is a stick.
चलो,
It is
कल हाँ,
without
कल।
bamboo there.
Ah, okay.
This is direct, the one of the shop.
Yeah.
That is the stick so direct.
Ha.
अरे वो डीप प्लेट
Thank you.
Welcome.
है तेरे पास ऊपर 9 पीस
Yan.
740 देख ये वाला है ना अपने को 18 पीस चाहिए
Pupunta kami sa Ayurvedic shop. Yan. Ayan. Yan. Napakita ko sa inyo yung mga tindahan dito. Ayun. So, eto yung Ayurvedic shop na sinasabi ko, titingnan. Ito yung Ayurvedic shop na sinasabi ko na lagi naming binibilhan ng mga Ayurvedic medicine. So, yan. Papakita ko sa inyo yung sa loob. Hindi ko siya makita. Dito ako bumibili ng mga mix na mga tawag ito, yung mga sabon, mga ganyan. So, yan. 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 Dito kami bumibili. Everything herbal. Yan. So nagpaalam kami kung pwedeng mag-film. So walang problema, okay daw. Ayun, see. Dito ako bumibili. Ito, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano. Yung binibili ko, ha? This is for what?
This is for blood. SBC, RBC.
Ayun. Bili kami ng matcha green tea. It's healthy. It's healthy. Ayan. Nagiging healthy living na kami. And this one, pag may diabetic ka, ito special powder siya. sila nagbibigay. I-mix mo siya sa water, i-dissolve, tapos iniinom siya.
The last 1 month my stomach
Yan.
is not. Everyone the hospital.
Titignan ko kung ano. Yan yung binibili ko dati.
Even the part is
Baby? You have for the face here, this one. What is this here?
scrub which is there.
Yeah, scrub. What scrub? What is a...
Papaya scrub is there and cucumber scrub is there.
Can I have that cucumber? Cucumber. Yan. Kasi silang gumagawa nito mismo. That lavender bath salt, how you will use it? Just scrub to the body?
Yeah. This is cucumber papaya.
How much is this one? 110 and this one 110 also, no? I like this. This one here, lavender.
Bath salt. चलो नीचे आ जाओ.
We're having bath salt.
Yeah, पाव.
Okay.
Put in
The same also? You have to mix in the water?
yeah.
Water, no? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll get
Remove
this
the
one.
negativity from the body.
Very nice. So, lavender bath salt para daw makuha yung mga negativity sa katawan. And then cucumber para sa face.
Lemongrass for pedicure.
For
For nails it is.
this is for hand only?
Yeah, hand and feet.
Hand and feet. I had it before also. Yes. And this is papaya. You are the one making this, no?
Yeah.
You did it. No? They are the one who make this, and I like it. I used to buy this all the time. This, I'll get this one.
Ah.
I'll get this
हाँ बराबर.
and this one.
हाँ कुछ
See, they have cranberry bites, yung favorite namin. Dried cranberry, blueberry, yan. Sarap siya. Favorite namin yan. Then, seeds and berries, yan. Neem and aloe vera. Maganda kasi siya dahil everything.
बोलता सही किया
Ano siya? Let's get this one. This one, just ask him. So you will not get from Bangla.
डिसेंबर
Ayun, tapos na kami.
Let's see avocado.
We finish. Hanap kami ng avocado. Yun, there's. Is that avocado or mango? See, hindi ako marunong. Avocado tsaka mango.
Bakit start again?
I want some lemon. No, we don't have. Yan, yan. Hindi ito yung market na sa amin. Gusto nila yung avocado. No? Here in this area. There's only one. Lemon. How much is the lemon? 10.
25.
25, how many people?
20. 20 का पाँच.
4.
5. 25.
4. 5 for 25?
Yeah. That's 5.
Sorry.
Mushroom कितना?
Where's your price? 520. 20? 20. Thank you. Where? Ayan. Gusto niya yung teal garlic. So, I'll show you. Then you ask how much. Sila? Coriander, if you're going to make that cassava. Yan. Ay, nakalimutan ko para pala itong ano tawag dito, Central Market dun sa amin sa Bacolod. Diba? So, yan. Bawang.
Coriander is there.
Ay, what is this? Celery. Celery. Ay, parsley, Ay. Hindi marunong. Coriander.
Take one more.
How much it is?
Take one more. 20. Rainy season.
It's already expensive. Coriander is become expensive now. Before this one is only 10 rupees. Now become 20 rupees.
It's rainy season.
Yeah, because it's rainy season. So that is why.
Go put.
Ayan. Guess what kung nasaan kami? Bibili kami ng shawarma. Nasa side street lang siya. Ayan. Nandito kami sa Hot Chic Kebab Tawa Rolls Shawarma. So ayun, hinihintay na lang namin yung aming order. Nag-order kami. But hindi naman kami usually nag-order sa labas kasi nga sa mga nangyayari. But then, hindi na kami nakakain ng shawarma for a long time. So ayun. At yung area na ito kasi, in this area, before ng pandemic, sobrang daming tao dito. Sobrang maraming tao. As in puno, although highway siya, sobrang puno yung area na to. Yan. At masarap yung shawarma nila. Hindi siya ganun ka-spicy. Although kung gusto mo ng spicy, you can request ng spicy. Meron silang chicken tikka kebab, meron silang mutton kebab. So, yun. So, yun sa mga kung gusto nyong tawag dito, kung gusto nyong pumunta, kung gusto nyong magbakasyon dito sa India, I would suggest Mumbai, malapit din sa airport. So, ayun, hindi siya ano. At yung mga tao, hindi kayo matatakot kasi friendly yung mga tao dito. Ayun. So, sana nag-enjoy kayo ngayon sa aming lakad ni Sydney. Ayun. So, ulit, sa pag hindi pa nagsasubscribe, please do subscribe and like this video if you enjoy. Ayan. Thank you so much. Bye. Ayan.
There you go.